everyone, this is Gordon here from the tropical island of Singapore. I just got this package today. Let me show it to you. Just came in by mail. This is something I've been waiting for quite a while, and we're going to do an unboxing for this. Now this particular parcel just came in from the USA. I'm just going to explain to you where I got this from, and later on we're going to do the unboxing. Now the process of getting whip. Now there are so many different whips out there. There are different lengths, different size, different colors. My suggestion would be to check with a whip maker. If you go online, there are a lot of whip makers out there. Some as popular as Adam Winrich, to David Morgan, Nick's Whip Shop. There are so many whip makers online, and it's I think a good idea to get in touch with them, speak to them, find out what would suit you, because everyone's different and different whips would suit different people. I have been advised that for a beginner, it's good to start at a 6 feet whip. Quality wise, the most popular whips that you can find now are the paracord whips. One of the reasons why is there's abundant colors in paracords, and the qualities are pretty good. Here's a website that caught my eye. This is WhipWorks. www.whipworks.com. That's a tongue twister there. Now, WhipWorks is being run. The owner is Adam Fieldson. He owns and makes whips. He's got so many choices to go from, and you can actually look at on his website and all the different whips that he has created. Please discuss with him because he's able to help you, especially more so for someone who's buying whips for the first time. A lot of explanation on how whips are made on his website, but one of the most interesting parts of his website is this: designing a bullwhip. Now, designing a bullwhip can be daunting for a first timer, but his website is so unique, so different from any other designers, whip makers, is that he has this, and what you can do is you can create your own creation. Now, the only downside to this is when you create something that you came up with your own self, it's going to be something that you might want to keep. So just be aware. Let's try out his app here. Okay, so you're going to have two colors, primary and secondary color. We're just going to try this out. We get a goldenrod for the primary, something dark, maybe an acid brown for the secondary. You've tried all the different colors and your design that you've created. This is your creation. And after you've come up with that, on your right hand side you will find a 3D rendered image of your design. This gives you a much better view and understanding of what you create and what you will be buying. After discussing with your whip maker, and here is Adam, and when you speak to Adam, he will give you any changes or ideas that will make your experience better once you get your whip. Okay then, let's get to the unboxing. It's time to get excited! Oh damn! So okay, your package is finally on its way. Your whip is coming. It's coming. It's on its way. Go check your package tracking. It's coming. So it's finally arrived, and oh man, it's so exciting. Just wish I could finish the intro so I can open up, and here we go. Opening up the box. And as we open the box, okay, safety first, better keep the blade aside. Can you smell it? Can you smell it? A couple of reading materials is going to come out. I got this yellow foam that's from the immigration. They had to check on the package. This is a couple of stuff that Adam prepared. A little letter here, a personal letter describing what we're getting. All great. And also Adam's added in some other reading material, and this has to do with handling and care of your whip. It's going to describe on steps on how to change the popper or the fall. Very, very detailed, very, very interesting and good to know, because you're going to be needing this after a while when your popper or fall breaks down. Now in the box there are other accessories that comes with your order, and I'll go through that with you later. Adam also sells on his website tools that are used to fix or repair your whip. Now I'm just going to show you one of the whips that's here. I have another whip that's kept aside. It will be revealed later on another video, but here we have a paracord 6-footer with a 10-inch handle. Now the accessories, I'm going to go through the accessories with you in a short bit, but because accessories are very important. I mean, you think about it, your cracks are created by your poppers traveling and breaking the sound barrier, which is about 770 miles per hour. There's going to be wear and tear. So having accessories is crucial, because when you are cracking with your whip, after a while if something breaks, you don't want to take a lot of time getting parts. So with your set, there's going to be accessories, and this is something which is important. So let me go through the accessories that comes with every set that you purchase with WhipWorks. You get 5 nylon black poppers, 3 Kevlar colored poppers, 2 spare falls, a wide eye needle, and a whip care guide. There are other accessories, but you can check on his website. So here we have a 6-foot paracord BullWhip created by Adam from WhipWorks, and I've commissioned him to come up with a special whip that I've created, which I will show you in another video. But at the moment, this is a beautiful, beautiful whip. If you had a chance to hold it in your hand, it's an excellent whip. And my next video, I'm going to show you how it performs, and this will be my first time using a BullWhip. Till the next video, bye bye.
Let's take it from there. Why don't we